me again. Welcome to the channel. Grace and I are on our way to Camelot.
We're on the way to Canlaon, guys. We're looking for Virgil's United Nation costume.
Yeah, they got an activity coming up Friday.
Yeah, this coming Friday they have some parade and also some event for United Nations. They're gonna celebrate it. It's a beautiful weather today.
Yeah, we thought we'd give you a little road tour to Camelot.
It's nice.
We got a partly cloudy day. Weather's not too bad today so far. We've had so much rain, it's hard to get out.
Beautiful mountains.
I guess for all those in the States that live in the Northern Hemisphere, you're getting the fall colors. Where here we don't get that. If we get any color at all, it's usually in the summertime. It's brown.
Yeah, the trees and grass is turning brown when it's summer here.
Usually that's when it don't rain very much. Dry season. If it rains, we don't even get that. It stays green. You're not walking today. You're actually taking a ride instead of walking.
Yeah, I'm not walking today, guys. I'm supposed to be walking, going to Canlaon. Why it's too hot. Maybe one day next week we're gonna try to walk again.
Okay.
Because Virgil, no class for whole week because teachers have a seminar and also All Souls Day and All Saints Day holiday.
Well,
We've been going to that mountains there in the left side
yeah.
with Dominga, Virgil and me that one day.
It looks nice there.
Yeah. It's nice. See the tower?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we,
Is that the tower I seen the picture of?
yeah,
Okay.
big picture in the tower.
So, I was confused. I thought it was on the other side.
It's in there. Then we bought ice cream on this side here. There's no ice cream now. There's a,
Tricycle
yeah,
selling ice cream.
selling ice cream, 20 pesos. We bought some water there.
Okay.
Then we headed home after that. Because it starts raining. Lots of traffic this morning.
Yeah, that's unusual.
That's why we go to Canlaon to rent the costume because it's much cheaper compared to San Carlos.
And it's a little bit closer, not a whole lot.
accident this area here.
Yeah.
That big tree fell off, then killed one person in the multi-cab.
Yeah, I remember that.
Big tree fell off. There's two people in the multi-cab, the driver and the passenger.
Yeah.
Then there's one person died, the driver, but it hit directly to the tree.
Yeah.
This is what I told you about the sounds when you're turning,
Yeah.
when you do a curve, there's a sounds.
I think that's triple struts and springs.
Really?
Yeah. Probably where I put the extension on there, it stresses them. I don't think it's anything to be concerned about.
It's okay, we stop to the overlooking place, baby.
Okay.
Some picture. Because last time we went there, they do a renovation where you can take picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, they renovate it, they make it more nicer and more stronger. Instead of bamboo, they use some metal.
Oh, okay.
I like their buko juice, that place there. It's good. It's in the bottle. Their native coffee is good, I think. You not try there, right?
Well, it's been a while. I had it there once upon a time, before the renovation.
We're going up. Going
Yeah.
up. We used to walk this place here. I miss that. We need to do it again.
I wish I was able to do that. I'd enjoy it.
There's a cow. Virgil's class will be end March next year.
Well, it's early this time around, isn't it?
Yeah, because they start the class June.
Okay.
Maybe it's before my birthday.
Yeah, you're gonna be old this time, aren't you?
I can't make baby anymore. I'm in menopause stage. No. You're not worry about having baby because I'm almost in menopause stage. Menopausal stage. I wish I know how to ride a bike. Because Virgil's bike ba, I can use it.
Yeah.
They already take out the truck here.
Finally?
Yeah, in the this the one it fell off.
Yeah. It sat there how many years?
Yeah. guys, because the road is very curved.
Yeah, and then people have a tendency to just
And,
pop out of nowhere.
Yeah, and also it's very narrow.
It's not that narrow, but like smooth. Still, you gotta watch people. And when I'm older, I don't respond as quick as I did when I was young, so I like it a little slower.
Yeah, we're not in hurry anyway.
I thought you was in a super hurry.
There's a school there up the mountains.
They don't have to worry about flooding, does it?
Yeah. This is the shortcut here. There's a shortcut way to the barangay next to us. This area here.
Really?
Yeah, that's where it's in the, what's that, second barangay next to our barangay ba?
Well,
The last barangay, we call it Buski. Then they gonna, if they go to the market, they can shortcut there instead of going to Kabulihan, to our place.
oh, okay.
They have a way there. They have a road, but you need to climb. The motorcycle can't go just by walking. What if we live there, baby?
Yeah.
A lots of creek need to pass. We can go out when it's flooding. There's a flood, big flood.
Yeah.
You can go out because there's no other way. You need to cross the creek.
You had a teacher almost lose a motorcycle.
Yeah, there's one of a teacher. She's our neighbor. She almost lost her motorcycle because she not expect that there's a flood coming. Then she's riding her motorbike on the way home. Then when she saw at the back there's a big flood, and she just leave her motorcycle in the side. She tried to save her life. But I'm shocked that the motorcycle is still there. Maybe I think someone is putting the other side.
Well,
Yeah.
she's lucky.
Yeah, because that's a big flood at the time happened.
Yeah, that's the one thing about our place. The water gets up wet sometimes.
Yeah.
Even if it's not raining.
That's why, baby, we need to put some cement the other side because the soil is very soft. Remember where papaya, where they plant the papaya down there?
Yeah.
The soil there is very soft. But the one, my mama's kitchen over there,
Yeah.
it's solid. The stones are very solid. But down there where the coconut,
Yeah.
it's very soft. The soil is very soft, and we need to put some cement or some big stones there. Because I'm worried if there's a big flood, we're very close.
We've had big floods there before, and it's always been not up to our house.
Yeah, but I'm afraid by the soil gonna. What you call with that? Because it's very soft. If ever this coming December, if we buy some rice. We're not supposed to use this van, baby,
What?
to transport.
We did before.
Yeah, but I'm worried about that sounds in the bottom.
That just springs. I hear something in the back there. It's in the box. It's not. Is this where you're going?
No, it's the next one, not this one. On the way down, when you go down,
Yeah.
there's a big noise. Just want to show the view on the way to Canlaon City. Mountain view. So the update of my cousin Divine, I've been talking to her yesterday and she's better now. Yeah, that one. And she's still taking her medication. Then her foot is not swelling. Now it's been 1 week that it's not been swelling. It's back to normal now. But the color is still. It's okay, Daddy. We just go home because that's all. We just go ahead. Maybe on the way back.
Okay.
And she's still taking her gout medication. And she said that there's a little bit pain when she's going down, when she walked down to the stairs, but it's not as pain as before.
I'm glad to hear that.
She can walk straight now.
I was really getting concerned.
Yeah, I know.
I know about family members, well, actually anybody, especially someone in school, trying to do better in her life. We had intervened. She might have missed her graduation this year.
Yeah.
Might have got
She got
worse.
lucky this time because they just do online class or
Yeah.
module because of that happened in Cebu, that there's an earthquake. So they just postponed the face-to-face class for now, but maybe by next month they're gonna start to face-to-face class.
Yeah.
But right now they do an online class module. So that's good thing for Divine because she don't want to stress her legs by walking.
Well, it's sad the earthquake happened because it destroyed a lot of places.
Yeah, because until now there's an aftershock. I think the other day I saw it in the news that there's a 4.2 magnitude. It's in Bubu.
Yeah, I get notifications all the time.
Yeah.
They're getting quite a few aftershocks. Anywhere from 2.5 to 4.8.
Yeah, there's a still have aftershocks until now.
I'm surprised we don't feel some of it.
Yeah.
Must have had something in my windshield.
But
Running down.
maybe it's bird.
Maybe.
Bird poo.
Maybe.
not.
Sometimes not.
If they are very like undisciplined
Yeah.
driver. So we're here at the town of Tagbino. Tagbino. This is that's where we eat breakfast. And we're walking, going to there. That's where Sir Mike's wife,
Yeah.
parents.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's nice. It's a nice place there, especially when you're walking. You can see the volcano from there. It's nice view.
I enjoyed that. I know I don't think I'll be able to do that trip again.
Yeah, because you need to protect. You need to protect your back.
Yeah.
Volcano is in the distance. You can see the volcano because there's a lot of clouds around it.
It's an active volcano, guys.
Yeah, we also get a lots of notification, right? Maybe
Yeah.
almost every day.
I got one this morning, but I think it was mostly ashfall, nothing serious. It's been pretty active for the last 6 months or so.
They are temporarily closed now, the inland resort, because volcano is been there's smoke again. So fish.
We're almost close to where we're going to buy our rice for Christmas.
Yeah. So we have there's a place here that's where we normally bought the rice every December because we can save a little bit compared to the market.
Maybe we should try it this year to buy it at the end of this month, next month. A little bit early, but sometimes they run out.
Yeah, sometimes they run out. If you go there late, especially December,
Yeah.
there's a lot of people buying because they're giving also to the other people.
Maybe we should try to buy it early this year. I know they didn't want to sell us last year. The last few bags that we wanted.
Yeah, and there's a guy that he pity with us. He give the rice to us. I mean, he just sell it to us.
Because most time it's pre-sold.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's cheap.
Yeah.
If you go to the market, like it's 300 pesos difference.
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah. There's a lots of what you call with that, baby, where you can
Basket.
basket. Yeah, it's a bamboo basket. They're gonna sell there in Tanlaon, I think. You can put chicken inside there, basket. In that basket there.
Yeah.
And also that's where the chicken lay their eggs. They just put some
Straw,
straw or some nest
grass.
grass, and they can stay on that inside. My grandma knows how to make it, but it's made with coconut leaf. She used to make it made with coconut leaves of coconut.
Yeah.
That's what she used. they have a lot, Daddy.
You know,
They have a lot of stock this time.
you know they
I
won't
saw
have-
I saw the sacks.
Yeah, well, this is October, that's why. You get to December, basically all gone.
Yeah.
That's when they process it and bag it. Camel's changed a lot over the years.
Yeah, Canlaon. They have two grocery stores now, I think. Prince and Pure Gold.
Yep.
We're not been check it out. But they have a Prince warehouse and also Pure Gold is a grocery store. The Prince is they have also some
Department.
mini department store. Well, it's good, right? Because
Yeah.
some people they're not they can't afford travel going to San Carlos for the
Colo.
or Bacolod.
Or the next town over, what's the name of it? Which a lot of times that road is blocked because of volcano.
La Castellana.
Yeah.
I think they don't have a mall there.
They don't.
I'm not sure.
Well, they didn't the last time we was there, but they're
Yeah. Canlaon is still no bank, right? Canlaon.
not that I'm aware of. I've not
It's
seen.
just an ATM machine, but they don't have any bank in Canlaon.
Closest bank would be San Carlos.
Yeah.
Even at that, I wouldn't mind living in this area. I guess we're getting close to where you need to go. You said before the bus station. What I'll do, I'll go to the gasoline station where the store is. Maybe I'll go in that store and wander around while you're here.
Yeah, my friend told me it's not close to the bus terminal. It's down on the right side.
Yeah, that's what
You
I'm
can
saying.
see the what's that? The costume outside because it's a glass ba. You can see.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. I just know. So thank you, Bana. I just not see it because I thought it's closer there.
I'll pull over this parking lot.
Okay. You just wait me there.
I might be able to back up.
Yeah, because there's a parking space. Thank you, okay, because I really don't see it.
If you hadn't mentioned you could see the costumes, I wouldn't see it.
So that's it. Just
Maybe I
oh, it's nice, huh? That one ba? Wow. This is my first time to check this place here. They have a lots of gowns. They have a lots of gowns there. When we have wedding again, we rent here. No
Okay.
budget.
Okay.
Gonna check.
We're here, guys, so I'll catch you on the other side.